So hello everyone. Yesterday, the researcher Andrea Esoli from the ISTI Institute at CNR in Pisa talked in the ENG4GED seminar about language modeling and how it evolved over time and what it is useful for, what it can be used for. For those who could not attend, here are some comments and questions from the author of the speech. So the first question, well, thank you for being here again. And the first question I would like to ask you is, so recently, I believe there has been an interest in what is called, let's say, prompt design and the attempt of using the knowledge inside the models able to generate language and to apply it to classification tasks or to more specific tasks than just language generation per se. Do you have any insight on this new trend?
Well, yes. Yesterday, talking about the power of these big models, GPT models and Megatron and all the other models, we have seen a bit their power in generating how these models that have been trained on huge amount of data does not only capture the patterns and regularities of language, but also capture the common knowledge about the world, knowledge about the fact that Angela Merkel was the first minister of Germany. The dataset was set in that time, so that was the prime minister. And so the idea is that this modeling can be, all the knowledge that is in this model can be already leveraged to perform classification. So there is this idea that you do not have no more need for a training set that says how to translate from French to English, but just say this is an example. You just create a piece of text that says this sentence in French means this in English, this other sentence in French means this in English, and this sentence in French means, and then you let the model complete the generation process, and you expect to get the translated sentence, and doing this for many tasks. So, and this is, I mean, the way you, as human, communicate task to other person, and this person that we expect to have already the relevant knowledge of the word and the task, they perform the task. So this is the idea. This is the closest things that we have right now toward natural language understanding. So really, a machine that understands language completely and is able to produce language that answer to the questions, the task that we have proposed. Still, as I said yesterday, we are still missing a lot, and that a lot that is missing is that part on logical reasoning, the slow thinking part. So we are going to be very quick at the fast thinking part, but the slow thinking part, the one that reasons and says, for example, well, Angela Merkel was the president. Maybe right now there is a different one. So this is something that is not part of the model, not by design, not by the knowledge that is given to the system. So there is still a road ahead in order to reach these goals.
Okay, thank you very much for the answer. And then just as a small follow-up question, what do you think will be the next steps in this, or in general in this field, and with regards to this last thing you said, so the lack of logical reasoning?
I mean, this is the next goal. I cannot see how far it is and what could be the right approach or a promising approach toward solving it. So will it be still using bigger networks? So that at some time in the increasing sizes of the models, some logical components, some more robust components emerge, or we really need to add some other different component of different nature that we are not thinking about right now. I'm sure that is the challenge. That is the challenge for sure.
Okay, thank you very much, and hopefully we will see you again in our seminars.